Hey guys, back again for another install on the Jeep today. This time I'm going to be looking at the Desert Does It seat jackers. So let's check it out. What comes in the box? The first thing you'll notice when you open the package is straightforward instructions and some pretty cool swag. Each order also comes with a small container of blue Loctite. The seat jacker themselves are sealed in plastic packaging along with their hardware. This makes it super convenient during installation. To get these installed, you'll need to remove the back seat floor liners to access the rear bolt on the driver's seat. Then, using a T50 Torx bit, loosen the rear base bolts of the driver's seat. You don't need to remove these bolts, just loosen them a bit. Now, using the same T50 Torx bit, remove both front factory seat base bolts. With the bolts removed, we can now open up the packaging. Inside are the two main seat jackers, two sets of hardware, and one washer. Carefully lift the front of the seat and slide the smaller seat jacker under the seat rail closest to the transmission tunnel, making sure the threaded hole is facing forward. Grab the larger seat jacker and slide it under the seat rail closest to the door. Make sure the smaller threaded hole on the end is facing the rear on this side. Take the provided 30mm socket bolts and install them through the countersunk hole in each seat jacker. Make sure to apply Loctite before starting the bolts. You'll need an 8mm Allen or bit to tighten these bolts. Make sure the seat jackers are parallel to the seat rails with the threaded holes visible on top as you tighten these bolts. With blue Loctite, install the provided 20mm bolts through the seat rail and into the threaded hole on the top of each seat jacker. The bolt closest to the transmission tunnel goes in at a slight angle, so be careful not to cross-thread that one. Now retighten the rear base bolts for the seat, and put the rear floor liner back in place. It's that simple. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe for more Jeep installs and tips.